Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone pin pattern password. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your smartphone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern or password. So don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry. By the new method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to be take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully charge your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would like to tell you, my friend, that this method is updates every month. So if your smartphone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming video or old video. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us lot of encouragement to make the next video and to help you further. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with the cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning this method, mentioning in this video, applying it to your locked smartphone. Now you have to use offline mode. You can see, my friend, my phone is on the network of Wi-Fi network. So firstly I will have to convert my phone on airplane mode, so that all the network should be closed. Now you will have to slide your slider downside. You can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to click on this option to close your all the network, like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network, all are closed due to activate your airplane mode. So the first step has been completed, my friend. And the second step is your all the running application before your phone was locked should be closed. So generally it is not possible before your phone is unlocked to close all the running application. So there is a secret code, my friend, by which you can close all the running application from your background before your phone was locked. So the secret code, how you have to use this secret code. So simply click on emergency call option. You can see here there is an option of emergency call option. So simply click on this emergency call option. After clicking on emergency call option, you will get a such type of dialing pad. Now I am going to give you this secret code. This secret code is star hash 000 then star then 8521 then hash. After dialing this number, you will have to click on this number with the call option. When you will call on this option, you will get an pop-up of call failed. So simply ignore this with the OK option. Again you will have to do this process 3 times. When you completed this process 3 times, simply you will have to clear this secret code. You can also take a screenshot of this secret code, because this secret code is valid till the 2 or 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, this secret code updates generally in service center. If this secret code help you to unlock your phone, then it's okay. Otherwise you can subscribe my channel for the further upcoming secret code. So now I will go on the engineers mode option with the phone. This is also known as master unlocking mode. So how will I go to the engineers mode? So simply there is a secret code by which you can reach to the engineers mode. So this secret code is star hash 899 then hash. When you click on lastly hash button, you will get a such type of page. You can see there are lots of options in this page. So simply you will have to go with the option software version. You can see here at the 5th number there is an option of software version. So simply click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will get this type of page. There are lots of options from top to bottom. The first option is model number, that is RMX2117. It's your phone's model number. And the second option is Android version, that is 12. It may be possible your phone shows here Android version 13, Android version 10 or Android version 11. So I will have to click on this Android version 12 option 12 time. If your phone is showing here Android version 13, then you will have to click on this option 13 time. Here my phone Android version is 12, so I will have to click on this option 12 times like this rapidly. You can see and count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the first step of the unlocking method has been completed. Now from this page you will have to simply go with the back button. When you will go with the back button, you will get an option of a manual test above the software version. You can see here there is an option of a manual test. So simply click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will get a such type of page. Simply slide this page right side until you reach to the other option. You can see there is an option of other, and there are 5 type of option on this page. So simply you can see there is an option of a database version. You can see here database version. It may be possible your phone shows here mainboard version. Both are the same but the name are different. So simply you will have to click on this database version 9 times. If your phone is showing here mainboard version, then you will have to click on this mainboard version 9 times. So simply I am going to clicking on this option rapidly 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the second step has been completed, my friend. Now what is the third step? Third step is that you can see here there is an option of a read, write and important log test at the second option. So simply I will click on this option, and this option is very important. So be careful and be ready for this option. So I am going to click on this option. When I clicked on this option, I asked to confirm this option, but I won't ask I won't confirm here with the OK option. I will confirm here with this cancel option and continue. I will have to do this process 3 times, 2 and 3. But at the 4th time, I will have to confirm this with the OK option. When I clicked on OK option, all the forgotten pin, pattern or passwords are now on reconstruction mode. Okay. Now the very last option I am going to give you, and the very last step what I am going to give you is most important. So be careful about it and don't skip any step. If you are skipping any step, then your phone is not going to unlock, and maybe all the data may be also be deleted. Okay. So simply slide your phone left side and reach to the device debugging page. You can see there is an option of a device debugging page, and there are lots of options in this page. You can see there is an option of a check a small board, match main board, fingerprint test, keypad test, but don't go with these options. There is an option of a sensor self test and calibration. You can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option, my friend. So simply click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm 2 options. It may be possible your phone shows here 3 options, 1 option, but don't worry. Whatever you get here option, simply click on all those options until you get a test pass message on these options. Okay. So I am going to clicking on these options until I get a single test pass message. So now you can see here written is operation not started. So I will have to start all these 2 options. Test started. You can see here the second option test started, but the second option got test failed, but a single test passed message has been appeared in my phone. It means my unlocking process has been completed and my phone has been now unlocked. So how will you get whether your phone has been unlocked or not? So what you will have to do, you will have to simply go to the home button of the phone. You can see at the bottom of phone there is an option of a home button. So simply click on this option. So now my friend you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application and all the data whatever in my phone as it is as in my phone. So if this video helped you to unlock your phone, then like this video for the further these type of helps, and if your phone could not unlock by this video, then subscribe my channel for the further upcoming videos. Thank you very much. See you in the next video with the next technical help.